Okay, so we're going to get ready to do our Saxon math today. Let's go ahead and open our math folder. And this is the booklet that you want, okay? Right here. And we're going to open this up. We have Guided Class Practice 45A at the top. Okay. So you'll see that at the top you're going to have where it says 41. Okay, that's that number up there. So let's begin by tracing that right here. 41. Okay, so down, over, lift, and down is for that 4, and there's a 1 for 41. Okay, so over here, let's start at the dot, and you can do that by yourself now. 41. 41. One more time. 41. So when I put my other hand on the paper, it's to help keep it from moving. So that's helpful for me. Okay. So there's 4 41s across the top. Okay. So I'm going to read number 2 for you. We're going to draw a picture to solve our math problem today. So Miss Hart blew up 10 balloons for the party. So I'm going to circle the number 10 right there. If you want to do that as well, you can go ahead and do that. For me, that's my data mining. I'm looking for important information in the number sentence. So Miss Hart blew up 10 balloons for the party. 2 balloons popped. So this word here, TWO, I haven't taught that to you yet, but that's the word 2 as in the number 2. 2 balloons popped. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show how many balloons she has now. Okay, so we're going to use circles to represent our balloons. So right now, the first thing we're going to do is draw 10 circles in this box. Okay, so you can join me for that. So I'm going to count as I draw them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I kind of just squeezed that last one in, but there's my 10 circles. And just to make sure I did it correctly, I'm going to give them a little string, and I'm actually going to turn them into a balloon. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that I just double checked to make sure I really did draw 10. So you want to be accurate when you do your math, and always going back and double checking is a good thing. Okay, so I have 10 balloons. So 2 of them popped. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to cross out 2. Okay, whenever we do something where we cross something out or take something away, you always know this is going to be subtraction. So we're doing a subtraction or a takeaway problem. So we have to use our minus sign when we're writing this. So how many balloons did we start out with? Do we have to guess to write our number sentence? We can just count. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We started with 10. So you're going to write that 10 right here. And because we cross something out, we have to put our minus sign. Remember, the minus sign is just a line like that. And then how many, now this is where we put, how many did we cross out? We crossed out 2. So our number sentence is 10 minus 2. So go ahead and write that on that line right there, 10 minus 2. And then we're going to solve. How many balloons does Miss Hart have now? So that's what we're going to write that right there. Okay, so let's go back and count. We count everyone. We don't count them all. We don't count the ones we X'd out. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She has 8 left. So we're going to write the number 8 there. Okay. Okay. So let's go to number 3. This is something we haven't done before, but I think you're going to be able to figure this out with me. Circle the number in the box that is between 7 and 12 when you count by ones. So what number falls between 7 and 12 when you count by ones? So let's just count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what's missing here? Is there an 8 in here? No. Is there a 9? Nope. Is there a 10 in here? Nope. Is there an 11 in here? Yes, there's our 11. And is there a 12? Well, there's the 12 right there. So the number that goes right here is an 11. That's the number that comes between 7 and 12. Okay. So in the next one, it says, how many squares are in the first train? So let's look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 squares. So you're going to write the number 6 right here. Okay. Okay, so then it says color 5. So just use your pencil. You need to color in 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So how many are left over? 1. So write your 1 right here, because 5 plus 1 is 6, or 6 minus 1 is 5, right? Or 1 plus 5 is 6. So this is showing addition in another way using a number train, okay? So let's do the same thing here. It has a number 3, so you're going to color 3 right here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and how many are left? 1, 2, 3. So there's a 3 that we did not color. So that means that 3 plus 3 equals 6, or 6 minus 3 equals 3. So these are fact families that we're creating here with these number trains. And you don't have to remember this because you'll be getting a lot of this through 2nd grade, okay? So let's go right here. I'm going to use my fingers to do our addition and subtraction today. So the important thing that you have to remember is they've mixed up plus signs and minus signs here. Okay, so you're going to pay attention to that. Okay, so the first one here says 4 plus 1. So I'm going to pop out 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to put 1 over here and count how many all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So write the 5 right here. Okay. So fingers are always good to do addition as long as you don't have a number that's more than 10. We're going to get stuck right there. So I might need to pull out my number line to do that one. But let's go to this one right here. So 0, so nothing on this hand, plus 3. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3. So 0 plus 3 is 1, 2, 3. Okay, and that also follows our 0 rule. When you add 0 to a number, that number does not change. Okay, right over here we have 6 minus 1 equals. We're going to find that out right now. So I'm going to count out 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to take 1 away, and how many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we're going to write 5 right here. Okay, so neck, big belly, and then a hat on the top. Okay, let's look at the next problem. It says 9 minus 1 equals. So let's count out 9 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm not going to use my thumb. Then it says to take 1 away, so I'm going to take 1 away right there. So how many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 left right here. Okay. So then for this last one, I'm going to show you another way to solve for 7 plus 7. So 7, if you have here, you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you see how I just put 7 dots up there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus 7. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is addition, so that means I have to count them all together. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 7 plus 7 is 14, so I'm going to write a 1 and a 4. So that's another way that you can show numbers, is just by showing little dots above each number. Okay. All right, then one more, 5 plus 0. So if we have 5 and then we have 0, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we can write our 5 right there. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that math lesson today. It was a lot of things together, but I think it was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed it too. Let me give myself my exit ticket there. And then I'm going to close this up and put it away. And then tomorrow we're going to begin our Zero the Hero 100th Day activities, which will be a lot of fun. So looking forward to doing those with you.